I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming which Apple ID and iCloud plan you're on. This avoids canceling the wrong account. Once signed into your device, open Settings on iPhone or System Settings on Mac and tap your name to view subscriptions. Make sure you have any recent receipts or the payment method handy in case Apple asks for verification. Now, navigate straight to subscriptions. Don't detour, because the cancellation controls are there and you'll need them for the next step. You'll find subscriptions under your Apple ID. Select iCloud Plus or the specific iCloud storage plan listed. Once selected, tap Cancel Subscription or choose a lower storage tier and read the prompt. This explains whether access ends immediately or at the end of the billing cycle. Confirm cancellation when you're ready. If you see a choice to keep the plan until the period ends, pick it if you need remaining storage time. After confirming, check for the cancellation confirmation email to verify success. Once canceled, you should get an email. Verify your iCloud storage shows the new tier or expiration date so you know the change took. If charges continue, make sure you weren't subscribed under family sharing or a different Apple ID. Switch accounts to check. If problems persist, contact Apple support and have your receipt and Apple ID ready. They can trace billing and reverse mistakes. If data limits loom, make sure to download or reduce stored content before the downgrade completes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.